Hello everyone. For our next drawing, we will be drawing a seal. So take the shape of your hand and connect it at the bottom and add some fins to connect it. So then on the top, draw a cute little hat for the seal which we will be coloring in later. Add the eyes of the seal and add the body of the seal as well. Add a cute little nose and a snout to make it look like it's smiling. Now add fangs and whiskers in the main part of the body. Color it in again as you please. We have chosen to make it blue in color and a colorful top. Once again, if you are using a sketch pen, make sure you line it and do not overlap your lines. Next, we will be making a bird kite in nature. So first start off by drawing a bell shape and then make the bottom a triangular shape without the bottom. Add more character to the drawing, add eyes, a nose, and then fill in the eyes to make it look like it's looking towards one side. Color in parts of it. Next, add the wings of the kite and add more detail to it. As we have seen, you add a sting to the bottom and on the top, add more trees and leaves to add more character to the entire drawing. Add the ground, add some clouds, and color in the grass, some flowers, to add more details to the drawing. Next, we will be drawing a cute little house. Start off by drawing the chimney of the house and then connect it to the roof. Draw a rectangular shape for the roof and then a triangular shape on the other side and connect the bottom sticks. Next, we will be drawing a door and the ground of the house. Add some windows and the smoke on the chimney, and this time we need not add the grills to the house because this is a different type of house. So then we can add bushes on the side, color it in as you please. Draw a bark beside the house to signify a tree and add purple or any other color that you want to add color to our drawing. Color it in and then color the rest of the drawing in as well. We can add a sun and we can also add clouds beside it. For our next drawing, we will be drawing creatures out of numbers. Write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 1, we will be drawing a rat. Out of 2, we will be drawing a swan. Out of 3, we will be drawing a little caterpillar with a cute little smile and legs. And out of 4 next, we will be drawing a little fish. As seen, you can add the fins and a cute little face. Next, we will be drawing a little chick, a little hen out of the number 5. So add the top of the hen and a little face. Out of 6, we will be drawing a snake. Thank you for watching.